Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear the site cookies in Chrome app on computer. So launch the Chrome browser and open any website that you want to clear the cookies for. Say suppose I want to clear the cookies for this website browserhow.com. So for that, what I can do is I can click on this customize icon in the address bar, which will display me this cookies and site data. Expand that, and here I have this option manage on device site data. I can open that and it will display me the cookies information, and which I can delete from here. So I can just select this trash icon and hit on done, which will automatically delete the cookies data for BrowserHow on the Chrome browser. So if I want to delete the cookies for all the websites, what I can do is I can go to this three dot options and choose clear browsing data, and from here if I switch to basic or the advanced tab, I can choose this cookies and other site data, and rest everything should be disabled. And from the time range I can choose all time or 1 hour or whatever the time range you want, and then hit on clear data. So this will clear the cookies for all the websites. Clearing the cookies will sign you out of your account login that you already done. So make sure this caveat you know, and this way you can clear the individual cookies data for a website, or you can just clear the data for all the websites on your Chrome on your computer. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.